Start your back workout by warming up your muscles with some light stretching. Next, grab a pair of dumbbells and perform bent-over rows to target your upper back muscles. Now, move on to lat pull-downs to strengthen your lats and improve your overall back width. To work your lower back, try hyperextensions or back extensions using a stability ball. Incorporate pull-ups into your routine to challenge your back muscles and improve upper body strength. Don't forget to engage your core and maintain proper form throughout the exercises. Remember to breathe steadily and avoid holding your breath during each repetition. Take short breaks between sets to allow your muscles to recover and prevent overexertion. Finish your back workout with a cool-down period and some gentle stretching to prevent muscle soreness. Congratulations! You've completed your 10-minute back workout. Keep up the great work.